Hello and hello and hello. Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we are conducting investigation through another remote access Trojan or remote access tool. It's called VenomRAT. So actually, VenomRAT has a many feature that's make it powerful for cyber criminals. It can exfiltrate file in document or maybe keylogin capability. So actually, as I mentioned in my last episode, the most of remote access Trojan, they are close to each others. They have the same functionalities that others have. Maybe it have the same different of spreading and use some kind of exploitation. So actually, it's from Hunt.io platform. You can read about the different malware families. So actually, in here we have VenomRAT. Let's try to open HXD. I think I have to click allow it and then yeah, allow it and click yes and then turn off the antivirus because I'm in my lab officially. Again, open the hex editor and wait for a while. Dismiss. Unread it. So actually it provides the MZ header. So if you're trying to right click and click properties, it provides a more relevant information, client any.exe. So you can try to use this information for your writing rules and for more information. Again, it's maybe sometimes obfuscated. Maybe we are not 100% because actually it's some blubbers. It's not a clear string. But actually, let's open the tool in Detect It Easy and read a more relevant information about it. And so actually, it's really like a node packet, but actually based on the entropy, it looked like no, actually, it's not a packet. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's try to check the strings. It have a clear string and some other information. It not appear to have any stuffs in a resource section because all the address is the same and the offset is the same and so on. So actually, let's try to click import. Again, we don't have to rely on this import alone. Let's try to open the bdll scan.exe to find more information about the most import address table that may use it in the sample that we are trying to conducting investigation on it. And okay, find rat samples and venom. Okay, it used to this API, but again we have to conducting more investigation actually because one tool is not for it's not enough for one investigation. So there are some way to bypass this other tools mechanism and the signature. But actually, let's try to I mean drag and drop it and wait for a while until we will get information about the import section and the export section. But based on the detected easy, there are no export section, there are only one import section. And let us wait, it starts conducting their investigation, and there are some information that can be usable for your computer. So actually I believe that's a clone from the other rat that we are conducting investigation, like I think it's Agent Tesla that have the same stuffs actually and have a two resource manifest and version. So let's say go to the libraries. The libraries is one of the most important to us. It take us some, yeah, it's the same. So actually that's why I have mentioned please always try to more indication to have a more positive and true result, not false positive, because through only of course through detect easy that there are some information like there are no import, but actually there are a lot of importers. So actually we have the same information from .NET stable the module monotone.exe. Okay, so let's try to open in DN Spy to get a more information actually, because we have to get a brief information about the static code itself, and we are not going to the dynamically analysis because the dynamically analysis it takes some times and take a process, and I don't want to make you waste your time, but I will try to give you a much information that make you ready for your upcoming analysis. So let's try to drag and drop, or you can click file, open the executable file, and then it will be ready for you. So you'll wait for a while until our executable file will try to drop it. So again, the same result of the PE Studio monotone. So we will just try to right click and go to entry point, because the entry point is one of the most important to us. So actually, based on our information that we collected through our previous investigation through different RAT, the client helper, maybe there are some modules and plugins that help malware, maybe for debugging stuffs, for persistent stuff, and others. Let's go to the client, and in client we have a loggers, param, CGR info, but let's try to CGR info and see what is it. CGR info, it could be trying to get information about the computer itself. We can say this CGR info, it's some kind for anti-analysis or for anti-VM checking. Yes, it trying to get information. Actually, let's try to start trying to get information about the Windows processor. It trying to get information from the total physical memory to indicate that this malware is inside a VM or not. But they are one of the most interesting information that we got it. This GB, I believe it stands for United Kingdom. That's mean this malware maybe specifically designed for United Kingdom users. And again, it trying to get information about the driver version and driver infos. It's maybe trying to for some VM detection and get installed uninstalled software through this registry process. Okay, so go to the key logging section. Okay, so trying to collect some information, packet, HUID, and logs, and we have to know where the logs is sent to. That's a very important. Let's try to conducting our investigation. So low-level keyboards, set Windows hook, and my virtual key, and the other stuff. So that's like a keys.in, trying to enumerate and collecting information about it. That's a month, day, hours, minute, and second, and trying to collect those information. Also, again, it trying to use user30.dll, user32.dll to interact with the user stuff, because to interact with the mouses, with the graphics, with the keyboards, with the cameras, you need to import and use user32.dll. Let's try to go to the loggers, and it trying to save all the log in tip file by one.log. Go to the program itself. It try to create a directory by metadata in some kind of the folders. Very good. Let's try to conducting our investigation. Go to the settings and see in settings what we have. It is related to encryption. It's base 64 with the SHA and IES advanced symmetric encryption. So that's for anti-processes. Actually, we can just click it, or we may try to Control F to find related stuffs. Try to incremental search. It's not available. So again, if you're trying to copy it, you may not get any data from the CyberChef itself. cyberchef.org. Okay, just trying to. So actually, most of RAT is they are close to each other. So if you're trying to use a base 64, it doesn't work. Yeah, because it uses SHA and IES. And let's try to get a key. And the key also is encoded in some way. That could be a key. So we can try to write a Python script in a Python to decode it. Okay, so setting is and verify hashes, and just copy. We can try to copy full. Write a Python script to decrypt it. Those below encoded key. So let's try to get a key, because the key is a very important to us. The key is available from the cyber chef. Okay. Let's try to work another. That's a portis, hostess. Let us see to what we get. Yeah. Oh, VNC, HVNC. Initialization, verify hash, and the other stuffs. Actually, I think it's all available from the setting itself. Verify hash, yes, we copied all. Okay, and let's try to make it done and see what's information that we gotta throw it. Okay, we just gonna just fix date on time and try to open CMD, and let us see what information that we gotta throw it, and copy it. Copy and go to here, and no, I'm going to document and check the code.py, and let's try. I think it's our, yeah, cd document python decode.py. Let's try to get information. Let's fix again. Fix this here to me fully. And trying to figure the code is to us. So let's try to okay, let's try until it will be done. Let's try to go to the algorithm, the other stuff's client connection, client sock, and get more information about it. So nulls, the other stuffs, maybe let's try to find any kind of the ports, packets, it may be trying to send to the host, to a specific host actually. Trying to ping it, yeah. Client helper, trying to get a process stuffs actually. So let's try to, oh, IMSI. So let's go to the base64. It's true. Oh, IMSI.dll. That is it. That's IMSI.dll. Let's try to check it. Yes. And paste it. Padding is correct, but let's try to do something else. Actually, it's very important to us. We have this version, and let's try to paste it over here. Save it. No. Let's try to do another stuffs. Actually, I'm just gonna copy the latest one, paste it again, and back to CyberChef. Copy. And okay, so padding is incorrect. Okay, so leave it. So we have a much more information actually in here, trying to use IMSI.dll. That's responsible for Windows Defender. That's very important to us. Let's go down more. Oh, x64 and other stuffs. Okay, and go to anti-processes, actually trying to start block. Oh my god, trying to block processes like task manager, process hacker, process explorer, what is this? Let's try to check for this one. It's a new for me. Go to Google again, fix date and time. It's related to Windows Defender. This one. This one also. It's for inspection services. It's related to Windows Defender. I know MS config and other stuff. MS ACIE. Try to configure set policy info and the other stuffs. That's very good. That's very good mechanism. Go to anti-analysis. Again, it's trying to get information system info. Good. Camera. Oh, get a camera information. Very well. Oh my gosh. That's very well. DLL was not loaded. It may be trying to doing some kind of a DLL injection. I don't know, but maybe. Generator, ID sender. Okay. Methods. Client.log and the other stuffs. That's very well. And process critical. Set registry, trying to using registry for persistence through the software, maybe HK current user or HK local machine. Normal startup. Yeah. The task schedule. .bat, some echo, some maybe some loading stuffs actually. Message packet leap. HVNC. Good. Message packs. It's maybe trying to drop somewhere. So parameters, keylog program over here, my data and the other stuff. So actually let's try to use for directors and to get some intelligence strings on the other stuffs. Start action. I mean, just don't care. I mean, let's try to open the detector and allow run anyway. And oh my god, it removed it actually. Let's get it back. Okay, my VenomRAT is returned, and let us see. I'm trying to conduct investigation through it, and let's see what we'll find. So let's try to find any URLs and the other stuffs. Passwords, schema Microsoft. Good. I think it's the same. Okay, guys. So actually, it's our investigation through foreign fault detectors and the other stuffs. So if you found this video is useful, please do not forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And the software stop working. But that's a good tools to conducting your investigation actually. So until the next rat and analysis the next rat. Have a nice time, and do not forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel to upload a new video. Bye bye.